Welcome back to Origami videos. Let's make this big paper ninja star or shuriken together. All you're gonna need are 4 pieces of square paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters. Let's start by folding our paper in half on first diagonal line. Next, open your paper, flip it over and fold it again in half on this diagonal line. Now you will unfold your paper and fold this bottom line into the center line. Press it down and now fold this middle part, so this line, to this outer line. So fold that part in half. Now unfold this part and do the same with this upper part, so fold it again in half to the middle line. And fold it in half. And next you will do the same with this part, so I will turn my paper and do the same here. Fold it into the middle line. Press it down and fold it to the outside line. Unfold it and do the same with the bottom part. Fold it into the center line. And fold it to the outside line. Like so. Now unfold both parts of the paper and pinch this part of the paper upwards, like so. And now bring the sides of the paper in on this folded line. So pinch it together so that it closes and fold it over on your guideline. You will need to make sure that all is pinched and just close it down like so and bring it in one side and press it down. Now do the same with the other side. So pinch it on your folded lines like so and bring it over. And I'll push it in the same side that this one is. Like so. Now we will turn your paper over and fold this point of the paper here to the middle of the paper. Fold this part of the paper over these already existing lines, like so. And now fold your paper in half, so bring one side over to the other. Like this. And now you need to make 3 more of them. Now that all 4 pieces are folded, let's start to combine them. Take one part of the paper, turn it like this so that you have pockets right here. Take another one so that it's the same position. And now we will slide these 2 points into the pockets right here. Like so, and push it down and far as it goes. Take another one so it's in the same position and slide it into these inner pockets. And now with the last one, this will be the trickiest. You will take it, make sure that it's turned the same way this one, and slide these two edges into the pockets of this one. Once it's in, now you need to combine the last two. Like so, and close everything back in together. And just like this, you've made your Origami Shuriken. You can also glue it together and then throw it. Have fun!